Welcome to the Molasses lava flow simulation tutorial on Victor. Modular lava simulation software for earth science, or Molasses for short, is a probabilistic lava flow simulation tool designed for earth science research. This tutorial will guide you step by step through setting up and running your simulation in Molasses. In this tutorial, we will practice running the Molasses workflow on Victor. To begin, navigate to the Victor Hub at victorproject.org. If you have already registered for Victor, click Hub Portal in the main navigation menu. If you have yet to register for Victor, follow the Sign Up menu option and complete the form with your information. Otherwise, refer to the Introduction to Victor tutorial for support in registering. The tutorial is available under the Training and Tutorials tab of the Victor website, shown here. Before practicing with the Molasses workflow, let's get into the user's home directory. After logging into Victor, you'll be prompted to select a server size. For Molasses, you can select a smaller machine. For our example, let's select 7.4. Next, you will see the launcher. Click the Terminal button at the bottom of your screen. Once the terminal opens, type Victor Setup, then press Enter. Select the number correlated to Molasses from the list that appears. This will create a folder called Molasses in your home directory containing the notebook for the workflow and relevant files. Before breaking down the details, let's outline the simulation process. First, you will set input parameters. Enter residual thickness, total lava volume, pulse volume, DEM file name, and eruption origin points. Next, you will run the model. Execute the workflow, allowing probabilistic variations if desired. Then, select Output Zoom Level. Choose between a snapshot of the flow area or the entire DEM with the flow overlaid. Finally, analyze and save outputs. Review the CSV file and JPEG visualization of the final flow. To begin, let's open the Molasses notebook by clicking on it. The notebook contains code cells and markdown text. To run a code cell, click the play icon or use Shift and Enter. A number next to the cell indicates it has completed execution. An asterisk means it's still running. In the first cell, define the required inputs for the simulation: residual thickness or minimum lava thickness, total lava volume or total erupted volume in cubic meters, pulse volume or volume of lava per simulation tick, DEM file name, specify the digital elevation model file ensuring proper formatting, and eruption origin points. Enter UTM coordinates for the eruption starting location. The user also has the optional choice to enable repeated runs to account for the probabilistic nature of the model. For this tutorial, we will run the cells with the parameters unchanged. After entering the inputs, run the next cell. The rest of the simulation will execute without additional input. The following cell does not require input, but ensures the DEM is working correctly for your simulation. Running these cells will produce a visual output that indicates the vent location. Next, choose your desired zoom level for output. A snapshot view focuses on the lava flow area, and the DEM view shows the entire DEM with the flow overlaid. The workflow will generate two outputs: a CSV file named flow.csv containing flow data, and a JPEG image visualizing the final lava flow. To save your visual output to your device, hold Shift and right-click on the image. Select Save Image As and choose the destination on your device. Review these outputs to interpret the simulation results. By following these steps, you'll be able to run Molasses simulations and analyze the results effectively using Victor. Remember, you could always modify the input parameters based on the specific needs of your project. For more information or further guidance, refer to the Molasses documentation at docs.victorproject.org.